Okay, the question is a correct example of a nucleophile. A correct example of a nucleotide, that is option A, adenosine monophosphate, option B, RNA, option C, DNA, option D, urine. Okay, so always remember DNA, RNA, they are nucleic acid. Okay, they are nucleic acid. Okay, nucleic acid. আর যাই হোক, এবার ইউরিডিন এটা হলো নিউক্লিওসাইড. ওকে, because there must be phosphate is absent, so ultimately adenosine monophosphate or AMP is the correct answer.